Hi guys, we're gonna run down the hill today. 3, 2, 1. And also, we're gonna run up the stairs in the house into my bed, snoring.